Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A peaceful day at the beach. A gentleman is sitting on a beautiful beach. He is wearing comfortable and decent clothes that cover his body. The weather is warm, and the sun shines softly over the ocean. He sits quietly near the water and enjoys the peaceful view. The waves move gently across the sand, creating a relaxing sound. The man feels calm and happy as he watches the sea. He takes deep breaths and enjoys the fresh air. Around him, the beach is clean and quiet. A few birds fly in the sky, and the blue water looks beautiful. The gentleman likes to think about new ideas while he sits there. The peaceful environment helps him be creative. He writes some thoughts in a notebook and reflects on his goals and dreams. The beauty of nature inspires him to stay positive and confident. As the sun begins to set, the sky changes into wonderful colors. Orange, pink, and yellow lights fill the horizon. The man feels grateful for this special moment. He knows that peace, creativity, and happiness are important parts of life. This memorable scene reminds us that spending time in nature can help us relax, think clearly, and appreciate the beauty around us every day. Vocabulary. Gentleman. Beach. Peaceful. Waves. Sand. Ocean. Creative. Notebook. Dreams. Nature. Relax. Grateful. Horizon. Beauty. Happiness. Intermediate English. Inspiration and serenity by the sea. On a calm afternoon, a well-dressed gentleman spends time relaxing on a peaceful beach. His modest clothing reflects elegance and respect, while his relaxed posture shows complete comfort. The gentle sound of the waves creates a soothing atmosphere that allows him to disconnect from daily stress. As he gazes at the horizon, he feels inspired by the beauty surrounding him. The vast ocean, the soft breeze, and the warm sunlight combine to create a perfect environment for reflection and creativity. He carries a notebook where he records meaningful ideas, personal goals, and future plans. The beach offers more than physical relaxation, it also provides mental clarity. Away from distractions, the gentleman can focus on positive thoughts and personal growth. Every wave reminds him that life moves forward, bringing new opportunities and experiences. The peaceful scenery encourages him to appreciate simple moments. He understands that happiness often comes from gratitude and inner balance rather than material possessions. As the evening approaches, the colorful sunset paints the sky with magnificent shades of gold and orange. This unforgettable experience demonstrates how nature can refresh the mind, inspire creativity, and strengthen emotional well-being. The gentleman leaves the beach feeling renewed, motivated, and ready to continue pursuing his dreams with confidence and determination. Vocabulary. Serenity. Modest. Elegance. Soothing. Horizon. Inspired. Reflection. Creativity. Clarity. Distractions. Opportunities. Gratitude. Balance. Renewed. Determination. Advanced English. The transformative power of peace and creativity. The image portrays a distinguished gentleman enjoying a moment of profound tranquility on a picturesque beach. Elegantly dressed in comfortable attire, he is immersed in an atmosphere that encourages contemplation, creativity, and emotional renewal. The vast expanse of the ocean stretches before him, symbolizing limitless possibilities and the enduring journey of personal development. Surrounded by the rhythmic cadence of the waves and the gentle embrace of the sea breeze, he experiences a rare sense of harmony between mind and environment. This serene setting provides an ideal space for introspection, enabling him to explore innovative ideas and cultivate a deeper understanding of his aspirations. The beach becomes more than a physical location, it transforms into a sanctuary where stress diminishes and inspiration flourishes. As he reflects upon his achievements and future ambitions, he recognizes the significance of maintaining inner peace amid life's challenges. The vibrant hues of the setting sun further enhance the scene, creating a visual masterpiece that evokes gratitude and optimism. Such experiences illustrate the remarkable influence of nature on human well-being. They remind us that creativity often emerges from moments of stillness and reflection. Ultimately, this unforgettable scene serves as a powerful testament to the value of balance, mindfulness, and purposeful living in the pursuit of a meaningful and fulfilling existence. Vocabulary: distinguished, tranquility, picturesque, contemplation, renewal, expanse, enduring, cadence, introspection, innovative, aspirations, sanctuary, flourishes, mindfulness, fulfilling. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.